Hello YouTube. Had a problem in my house today with heating. The thermostat went bad and it kept the circulator pump running. My indoor house temperature went up to almost 90 degrees. I'll tell you what, that was quite a bad experience. The thermostat I was using that went bad is a T87K1007, if you can see that. This is the old one. I just bought a brand new one again, and you can see how much I paid for it. These suckers are not cheap. I could have got this cheaper online through ordering, but you know, when you need it that same day, I don't have that option, so I'm stuck with that fact that I had to go get one at my nearest plumbing supply store. But I wanted to show you what happened with it. Like I said, here's the base. Here's the front, which comes off. You can tear it off. One is the temperature control, the other one's the actual temperature thermometer. Here's the circuit board that sits inside here. Pull this out a sec to show you something here. So like when I wire my thermostat, I'm going to use the red and the white connector, okay? So there are those two of that would be on the upper top. Okay, so when I plug this board in and I flip it around, I don't have my stand here, excuse me a minute. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my meter to the two upper connections here, which is the red and the white, on the yes. So what I have found, YouTube, was the fact that, like I said, I'm using the red. Let me see if I can zoom in on that or get a little better picture of this. Yeah, so I'm using the red and the white connector. Oh, come on, focus. Anyway, using the red and the white connector, the thermostat's plugged in, but watch the meter. So there's the red and the white, and the meter's reading a dead short. So that's why my circulator pump was on. All I can say is thank God I was home to find this. Because in troubleshooting, I didn't know what was wrong. I knew the circulator pump was running, and I knew the heat kept on coming on and on and on and non-stop, and the radiators got so damn hot. So that's what happened. So yeah, there's a short on this board. I don't know where. I don't know if there's any capacitors across those two terminals. I know there's a small relay here. This relay could be stuck on. That's possible. That would be my guess as to what's wrong with it, because that's the only reason this relay would be here. Turn it on and off your circulator pump. But here's one thing that you can't find in any manual. These thermostats take a battery. There's the slot. Here's the battery that comes out of it. I've never seen this battery before. It's a CR2450, if you could see that. I don't know if this camera will focus in on that. Yeah, CR2450. And like the manuals for this, there's no mention of battery. Online manuals and whoever's selling, you click about, there's no mention of a battery. The manual that comes with this device, the brand new one I just bought, has no mention of a battery. I mean, I can't believe it. So yeah, that's why it's warranted for 5 years. I guess in 5 years this battery goes poof, and this battery is bad, by the way. It's supposed to be 3 volts. When I measure it with my meter, it only comes out to be maybe 1 volt. Maybe. Let me see if I can do that quickly here for you, just to show you. Positive to the back, negative to the front. Wait a minute. Oh, now it's good. It wasn't, no wait, that's 2.5. Yeah, it's low. It's 2.5 volts. But earlier when I checked it, it was only 1 volt. So I guess when I took it out of the circuit, it kind of like rejuvenated itself a little bit, because yeah, this battery was, like I said, reading 1 volt. So that's what's wrong with the thermostat. I don't know. I don't know what's shorted. I would, like I said, I would guess the relay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining my channel. Please subscribe. See you all again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.